What is hernia mesh?
Hernia mesh is a type of material made out of a cloth of some sort, and then there's different materials, polypropylene, polyester, that is used to really plug a hole, usually in your abdomen, as part of a hernia surgery.
What is the average payout for a hernia mesh lawsuit?
The cases haven't settled. The injuries are catastrophic. There have been a number of different verdicts, and I think that we'll know more in the next, I would say, within a year.
So how would someone know if they qualify for a hernia mesh lawsuit?
So if you had hernia mesh implanted in your body, I would say within the last 25 years, and you have complications, you should certainly call us. And there's certain manufacturers, Covidian and Bard specifically, that we're working against. And but there's various injuries that can be caused in simply pain, numbness, infection. Those are some of the most common injuries.
What do the lawsuits allege about the hernia mesh products?
The basis of the lawsuit is that the products were not safe, that the products were negligently designed, they were negligently manufactured, and that the companies were responsible for the products that they put into the market that hurt people.
Is hernia mesh lawsuit still going on?
There's various different hernia mesh lawsuits going on. The case against Bard, the biggest manufacturer, started in 2018. It's still ongoing. There's a trial date for the next case is in October. There's a new litigation started last year, 2022, against Covidian, which would be the second biggest manufacturer. So that's a newer litigation, but every hernia mesh litigation is still ongoing at this point.
And how long does it take to settle a hernia mesh lawsuit?
So in the beginning, a case in a multi-district litigation, it's a long time. It's many years. But for people that are watching this now, the case started in 2018, so you have the benefit. There's 5 years of litigation already happened. I would expect that case starts winding down in the next 1 or 2 years. I'd be really surprised if there's not a settlement in that case in the next year.
How do you file a hernia mesh lawsuit?
Yeah, so the way we file the hernia mesh lawsuits is by filing a complaint in the multi-district litigation, whether that is the state of Ohio or federal court in Ohio or Massachusetts. It's about a 5-page document. The biggest thing that we need is medical records. We need to know what device you have within your body. We get the serial number of it, the manufacturer, the make, the model, and the injury that it's caused. Those are the two biggest things that we're looking at: is what caused the injury, and then what happened to you because of what this manufacturer did.
And is there a statute of limitations on a hernia mesh case?
Yeah, there's a statute of limitations really in any case, and the question is, how do you measure that? And our opinion is it gets measured from the point of discovery.
And what would that be, though?
So it would be when you know you have a problem.
Okay.
And that's, we don't have a tremendous amount of concern with the statute of limitations in most of the cases, but we'll review that on a case-by-case basis. You gotta give us a call and we'll confirm your statute of limitations is okay, but it hasn't been an issue so far.